Malaysia. For example, we saw that this month
traveled from Almaty specifically for this roadshow. Allow me to express our sincere gratitude to the Brussels representation of Turkish Airlines, especially Amina Kohtem, to our Kazakh tourism ambassador in Belgium, Delia Soysal, to the national company Kazakh Tourism, and to the Kazakh tour operators present here today.
I know that there is a flight direct from Amsterdam, but let's focus on Brussels. No? Because we have 4 daily flights from Brussels to Istanbul, and then to Istanbul everywhere, but today we will focus on Kazakhstan.
My name is Gulbesha. This is part of our team. We have offices in Almaty and Astana. We also Ayatan. We are selling Turkish Airlines, and they can tell you that there are flights to Almaty. We offer a lot of tours.
Pleased that you found the time to visit this event. Thank you for being here with us.